Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Kobenata. Look at this. Wow. Guys, guess what? Yep. I'm in the village. Yeah. So guys, let me say thank you for those who have been watching my videos and those who have subscribed. I say thank you. And guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Road to 1K. Yeah. Today, I'm in the village. This beautiful village. As you can see, my beautiful home. So guys, today I'm here. As you can see, we have a goat over there. They are feeding outside. Yeah, see? Goats and sheep. This is a small goat. Yeah, and this one is the sheep. Yeah. Guys, see, we have a male goat here. See? And this one can beat you. You see? This one can beat you, you know? It's very big, eh? A male goat. Nice one. See? And we have a male cow over here. We have another male cow over here. Yeah, and the goat and the cow, they are crying. They want water, I know. But I'm going to give them water. Yeah. This is a nice cow, eh? As you can see, very nice one. And they are looking alike with the other big one inside there. Yeah, they are looking alike. They are looking alike. And here we have the fertilizer, the manure. The natural manure over here. This one is the natural manure. I'll plant some kales with this. Yeah, I know they are going to be very nice. Eh? See our chicken, big chicken, turkey, a small chicks over here. And then we have some goats, a lot of goats here. We have like how many goats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 goats. Some inside, others outside, and 1 sheep. So guys, you know it's a harvesting time. That's why you're seeing our compound is that's like this because of the maize. They are harvesting the maize, and I want to show you when people they're harvesting how the place looks like. Yeah, there is no maize. Let me show you. No maize in this area. So this is how the farm looks like. Hey! This is how the farms looks like. No maize. You can see through. Yeah, only trees. Only trees. Yes, guys. Wow. So let me show you the maize. But here, this the maize which has been harvested. Yeah, and they are still harvesting. Yeah? Video ngojokia. They are still harvesting. Video ngojokia. Nta kujokia bado. Bado nta lengo kujokia. Utakwenda kujokia kwa sana. Hata ndele tuakia. Iyo. Dajile. Omdelo kere. Da ino. You see, we have some bananas. Kambuke. 1 minute. We have some bananas over here. Okay, in this village of ours, all the seasons we have bananas in the farm. Big bananas. Big bananas. And then we have, they are harvested the maize, as you can see. And this now, they have removed the maize. And we have avocado over there. This is the avocado tree. All of this. Wow. Yeah, and this one was the sorghum, but they have already cut. They have already harvested the sorghum. And we have a pawpaw here. See, guys, let me zoom for you. Yeah, fruit. One is ready, so I'm going to come for it. Yeah, one is ready, so I'm going to come for it. I want to show you the way the maize looks like when harvested. So this one now, it will be for the cows. The cows, they'll be this they will be cut for the cows to eat. Yeah, so this one is the food for the cows. So you can see, and then we have the piece over here. See, piece. Wow. So when you remove this, let me show you. When you remove like this, we get some piece inside. When you remove this piece, you see, we have some piece inside. So you can cook some stew with this. Yeah. So guys, that's our home now. That's our village. Harvesting time. Our village harvesting time. So today we are doing the harvesting. See, a lot of peas. A lot of peas. I'm telling you, this time round I'm going to eat a lot of peas. Yes. So wow. This so guys, this is how our compound looks like. Wow. Guys, you can see now the farm is clear. Yeah, they have removed even the food for the cow, the those stalks for the maize. Now we are going to plant to dig, then we plant for the next season. Yes. Yeah, here in this farm we do the mixed farming, because you can see we have all this, the peas and everything, and the cassava still. Yeah, we do the mixed farming. This is what we do, the mixed farming. And you can see we have also we have miraa. This we chew these ones. Yeah, they are called miraa. Yeah, we chew them. So that's how you can see our farm now is clear from there to this side. The whole of this side, they have removed maize, and this other side, yes. So everything is clear. Everything is clear over here. So remaining planting. As I told you, you can see they have removed like that, and then they keep them. This one now is the food for the cows, and keep them here aside. Yes, that's how we are doing. And you can see we have a lot of firewood, so no need of the gas cooker, but we have the gas cooker. We have it. Yeah, but we have a lot of firewood. Guys, I'm removing the maize for cooking githeri. You know this maize, you can cook with it githeri. Githeri is the mixture of beans and maize, like this one. You see, this one is githeri. It's our staple food here. So you can fry with some potatoes like this. Yeah, and it's very sweet. So this maize I'm removing for the next day because we have some workers to come and work tomorrow. Yeah, and we always they like to be githeri to be cooked for them. So guys, this is how we remove from the corn. These are soft maize, soft maize. As you can see, even this githeri is very soft. See, very soft. So when you are eating, you're not struggling. Yeah, it's very soft. So today I'm removing this one so that when the workers come tomorrow to remove the remaining maize from the farm, they're going to eat. Yeah. And for me, I like maize. I like githeri so much. It's very sweet. Let me say that the food from the village. So we have to remove it. Yeah, this is how we do, like this. So guys, subscribe to Kobenata YouTube channel. Like, load to 1K guys. You know, you're my friends. Support me. Yeah, and you know you're my family. Yeah, you're my lovely family. So guys, please support, promote me. Load to 1K. Subscribe for the newcomers. Please subscribe. Yeah, and thank you for those who have been watching my videos all the time, and for those who have been supporting me. Yes guys, I say thank you so much. Please tell a friend and a friend and a friend to support by subscribing. Yes guys, and watch the video up to the end so that I can get the watch hours. Yeah, so I'm in the village. Yeah, I'm in the village. Yes guys, we are cutting the timber today. Yeah, we want to do the partition of one of the house for my mom. Yeah, so as you can hear, that's the, what do you call it, the power saw is cutting the timber. Let me show you. Okay guys, this is how we cut the timber. You can see that guy is cutting the timber, is removing the upper stalk for the tree. Yes, already the tree is down. He has cut it down. And this is the driver for the power. So he's called Maole. Maole. Guys, now I'm carrying this timber. It's called the offcut. Yeah, this one we are going to use it as a firewood. Yeah, so we carry this one by one because it's very heavy from the timber now. This is the stick, the stock, you see, of a tree. So the timber is this side, but the timber already they have cut. So this is the offcut. Yeah, we use it to build the house for the, maybe for the chicken, for the cows. Yeah. So or you use it as a firewood. But the timber, exactly the timber, we use it to build the house. As I told you, we always build the house. If not with the timber like this house is made of timber, as you can see. Yeah. And the stones down. So we build with the timber or stones. So this one for the half cut, we build it the house for the cows like this one. These ones are half cuts, like the one I'm carrying now. It's an half cut. So guys, this is how we do. And then we put it aside. Yeah, a lot of work in the village. You see? So all this, they are the offcuts. And then the timber, we keep it aside. Yeah, this now offcut, we are going to use them to build the house for the cow. You have seen we have another cow just aside there. Yeah, which has no place to sleep. We bought it like yesterday. My sister bought it. So we are going to build that cow shed. Yeah. So we are going to use the offcuts. Yeah. So guys, this how we are doing it in the village. Yeah, and as you can see, still the maize is drying for today. Yes. That's how we are doing. So guys, this is the timber which was removed from a tree, and then we had to apply the oil so that it cannot be eaten by the how do you call it, these things, these small insects, the one which eats timber. Mchwa inaitangwa aje guys? Comment in the comment section, let me know. Okay, Kenyans, how do you call mchwa? Yeah, these now they are the timbers for doing the partition inside the house. For putting the plywood, we wanted to put the plywood, and we have already applied the oil. Yes. So, and this is the plywood, but it's a big one like this. It's a big one like this. Then we cut and do the partition. Let me show you how they are doing. I don't know what you are going to see inside. see they're putting the ceiling and they're putting this. Looking like this, like this. This is how we are doing, and this is the ceiling now. They want to put the ceiling. Yeah, these are the sideways. So guys, and the guy who is building is Kamo. Kamo is the one building, and Kibaki. They are the mansion. They are the top mansion. Yeah, those are the top mansion. So guys, that's how we are doing it in the village. Yes. So please subscribe to Kobenata YouTube channel. Like the video, share, comment in the comment section, and don't forget to ring the bell. Load to 1K, guys. Please support me. Subscribe, like, and share. Especially share, share, share. Share to your friends. Share to everyone, to your family, to everyone, guys. Please share and support me. Bye. Yeah, and be watching my videos up to the end.